Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're taking a look at Zengo, a crypto wallet that's gained attention for its innovative security features and easy interface. If you're looking for a simple way to manage your cryptocurrencies, Zengo might be the right option. But let's explore the pros, cons, and what users are saying. Zengo uses a unique keyless security system, which sets it apart from traditional wallets. Instead of relying on a single private key, Zengo splits it into two parts, one stored on your device and the other on Zengo's servers. This makes it safer, as you don't have to worry about losing your keys, and recovery is simple if your device is lost. It also supports a variety of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, making it great for anyone with a diverse crypto portfolio. Now, the pros. Zengo's keyless security is a big win, ensuring your keys are safe. The app is super user-friendly, which makes it ideal for beginners. If you lose your device, Zengo allows you to recover your wallet using facial recognition. It also supports multiple cryptocurrencies in one place, and its in-app customer support is quick and helpful. Of course, there are some cons, since Zengo is a custodial wallet. It holds part of your key, which might not sit well with users who prefer full control over their assets. It's also on the basic side when it comes to advanced features, so experienced crypto users might find it lacking. Finally, Zengo charges transaction fees, which could add up if you're frequently transferring crypto. As for user feedback, Zengo has received praise for its simplicity and security. New users, in particular, love the keyless system and easy-to-use interface. However, some advanced users wish for more features, and others are not thrilled with the fees or the custodial nature of the wallet. Overall, Zengo is highly regarded for beginners who prioritize security and convenience. Zengo excels in security and ease of use. Its keyless system is a major selling point, and it's a great choice for anyone just starting out in crypto. But if you're an experienced user or prefer full control over your keys, it might not be the perfect fit. Still, for those who want a straightforward and secure wallet, Zengo is definitely worth checking out. Disclaimer: this is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational review. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.